Hi everyone, I'm Paul Bonner. With the holiday season here, the Conicelli Toyota family wants to make sure your Toyota is ready for the winter weather and all your holiday travel with our December service specials. First, we're offering $25 off our winter cooling service special, a great way to keep your engine protected as temperatures drop. We also have our Spend and Save coupon, where the more you service, the more you save. With up to $150 off same-day service, it's the perfect time to catch up on maintenance before the new year. For visibility and safety, we're running a great deal on wipers. Buy one wiper blade, get the other one free. And if you want long-term peace of mind, we're offering Toyota Service Care for just $275, which includes factory recommended maintenance and 24-hour roadside assistance. Our goal is to keep you and your family safe on the road this season. Schedule your appointment today at conicelliservice.com or by calling 610-690-6000. Happy holidays from all of us here at Conicelli Toyota.